Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is a new and somewhat unexpected addition to the collection. So here's the backstory. I belong to a Fiero group in Northwest Georgia, and there's about 30 of us on a group chat. And a few days ago, actually Monday, my group chat was blowing up, and I was out running errands and couldn't look at it. So I got home and I started going through it, and these guys were talking about a Fiero that was down in Atlanta. And it has set for a while. It doesn't run, but it was at a really great price. And that great price was free. So, and the guy's cell phone number was in the text. So I texted him. I said, "Hey man, do you have a free Fiero?" He goes, "Yeah, I'm closing on my house. I got to move it. It's got to go. It is free now. It doesn't run and it's in decent shape, but it's free." And I said, "Well, you know what? Today's Monday. I'll see you Wednesday." So me and old Bruce hooked everything up to the trailer, hooked his truck up to the trailer, and we went and got a free Fiero. Now, the interesting thing about it, and I'll show you guys that in a minute, I was led to believe that it was a factory white GT. Not so sure, and I'll tell you why. I think it's an SE with a body kit. Why? Because it says SE right there. And number two, so you see how it's all painted white? A factory white came in two-tone. Typically with a white, the bottom would be the silver. But before we get to that, I'll show you guys the inside. I was told the inside was in excellent condition, and that was a true statement. This is a 1985. It had sat in the guy's carport for 23 years. I met his son, and he parked it right as his son was born. I mean, look at this. Barely any sagging up there, guys. Check that out. So, outside, she needs, and it's here's the thing about the paint, okay? So, check this out. Let me pop this here. This was a red car. And there's also, you pull the seal off the trunk, you see the same thing. Somebody took the time to pull all the panels off this car and paint the entire car white. I don't know why they would do that. Who knows? But, so here's a tour of the engine bay. Whoever did painted that white too, but in decent shape to be a time capsule. Literally, just literally a time capsule. So, yeah, a free Fiero. So this is the latest addition to the collection. Going to be going through it and see what she needs. I'm going to take it back. If it is truly a GT, which again, I don't think it is because it says SE. If the VIN comes back to a true GT, I'm going to keep it. I'm going to have it repainted back factory red to go with my SE. If it is an SE with a body kit, I may put it up for sale. So we'll see. You notice the paint doesn't match here and all that. So I'm going to dig in, and when I run the VIN, that will determine whether or not I keep it or whether or not I put it up for sale. We'll see. We'll see. But right now, this is the newest project here in the collection. Just picked it up. We're sitting at a gas station right now. Obviously not factory wheels there. But, yeah, pretty good price. Free. So here she is, the latest addition to the collection. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.